Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a video for you guys. I actually have been wanting to do this video for quite some time, but I just have not got around to filming the video. This video is going to be key steps, key tips that I have on how to smell very good all day. Before getting into actual products that I'm going to recommend to you guys, I wanted to talk about the basic things that you can do to smell good all day long, and also cover some tips that I don't think that are talked about enough, or maybe people just don't know about these tips. Right, so the very basic technique that you can do is to layer your products. Just like I tell you guys in like my hair videos that layering your hairstyles and layering your products on your hair will actually make your routine last a lot longer. It's pretty much the same thing when it comes to your body. If you layer your products in the proper way, the products tend to stick longer. I feel like there's always a technique and a system to things that makes it work a lot better than if you were just to chaotically, you know, put things in whatever order you wanted to put them in. So the best rule of thumb is to start with a clean slate. You want to start on nice and clean skin. When you are layering your products, it's going to make the product smell a lot better. So on a much deeper level, I wanted to also cover hydration and foods that you eat, because that has a lot to do with the way that you smell as well. A lot of people don't know that, but the foods that you eat, hydration, those things play a key role in your smells as well. Furthermore, keeping your body hydrated is going to help to push out toxins, and you can do this by drinking water, eating fruits or vegetables that are full of water, that have a high water content, like watermelon, strawberries have a high water content, and you can consume those on a daily basis as well. I also love herbal drinks. You can even drink herbal drinks that are specifically for the women's health, like chamomile, hibiscus teas, calendula, I think I'm saying that right. I absolutely love that flower. I actually have that tea in my house. I'll actually have the teas that I recommend down below, but I didn't want to do like a whole list of teas to make the video longer. For those of you who just kind of want to get to the products, it's very much a big help when it comes to the woman's health, and also just keeping your body regulated and things like that. So I'll also be dropping some more tips throughout this video as I talk about products. I'm gonna start with hair, because a lot of times hair can carry a lot of smells, especially if you're active or if you work out a lot. Your scalp can hold a lot of sweat, and it can make it smell a little bit musty if you're not taking the proper care when it comes to that. So I wanted to talk about the hair as a part of head to toe. Smelling good AF all day. It starts with the hair. I do recommend scalp massages. I absolutely love these type of scalp massages that have this like these really pointy combs on them. I think that they work a lot better. I've tried the ones that have like more of the rounded tips, and I don't feel work as good, even though they're trying to be more gentle on the hair when they, you know, have the rounded tips. I just think that the pointy ones get in a lot better, and it helps to lift the buildup from your scalp, and it's gonna help for when you actually go into shampoo. The dirt's already gonna be pretty much lifted from your scalp. It helps a lot rather than using your hands, because a lot of times you don't want your nails to be like ripping at your scalp. Most of the time I just go ahead and go in with my scalp massager to do like the heavy lifting when it comes to lifting the dirt from my scalp. Also a double whammy, because as you are lifting the dirt from your scalp, you're also giving yourself a scalp massager, and it's stimulating the blood flow in your scalp to stimulate hair growth. Pink one that I use is from Vegamore. You can also use scalp buildup busters, I think they're called, which are products that are specifically for the scalp and removing buildup from your hair before you actually shampoo. There's a couple brands that sell that type of product. I actually have one on Nourish by Shawnta. It's the Pink Gaze Root Renewal Mist, and it's infused with red beet juice and witch hazel. I love this product because it not only helps to lift buildup, but it's a multi-purpose product, and it also smells really good. It smells like flowers. It almost works like a hair perfume, and you can use it to help lift buildup, but you can also spray it on your hair as you're going out the door if you want like a hair perfume. Speaking of hair perfumes, I absolutely love to use those as well. I like to get body mists that are for hair and body mist, and I find that the Pacifica brand has a really good selection of hair and body mist sprays. So I recommend those as well if you are super active and you're on the go a lot and you just need to, you know, quickly spray your hair. I recommend that you have like a hairspray, because it's a spray that is good for your hair and your body. And you know, you just want to just be spraying any type of perfume in your hair, because that's not specifically for the hair. So I like to get the ones that have hair and body mist on the label. As I mentioned, it's very important to have a clean slate before you start to go in with products. I'm going to recommend some of my favorite body bars to you guys, and also body washes. So first I'm going to start with body bars. I absolutely love Castile soap bars and also African black soap bars. Those are the two type of bars that I get. I absolutely love them. As you guys know, I absolutely love Dr. Bronner's peppermint scented bars, and I also get the ATM1 body wash. I pretty much use that and have that somewhere in my house pretty much all the time. Everyone in my house likes peppermint soap. It makes you feel so clean. I know that some people say that it's too powerful and that it kind of dries out their skin. I'm gonna have a solution for you guys who say that, but I absolutely love peppermint. I just feel like it helps to make me feel so clean, and I just feel like that I'm getting really clean when I use it. It's because Dr. Bronner's is one of the stronger Castile soaps. If you don't like that squeaky clean feeling on your skin, then you can use a milder Castile soap. They're starting to come out with those now. By the way, when it comes to African black soap, I normally just get the ones at my health food store, or I'll get the Alafia brand black soap. A lot of you ask me if I still use Alafia. I still love that brand. I don't get them as often as I used to, but I've actually started going back to Alafia and getting some of their body washes and stuff. I do recommend that you double cleanse when you're in the shower. On your second cleanse, you can go in with a fragrant body wash, and I'm gonna get into some of my favorite ones. I like the Raw Sugar brand. I love the watermelon scent. They have a bunch of scents that you can actually choose from. When it comes to this brand, Raw Sugar, I feel like that they're maybe in the medium category for when it comes to clean, you know, body washes. They're not super clean, but they're in the medium range. At the same time, their products smell really good, and they're also available in many different stores. I also like certain native body washes. My favorite one is going to be the cucumber and mint. I like the fact that that one it just smells so good to me. I've tried their other scents. Some of them work, some of them don't. They're hit and miss. Some of them tend to be a bit too light, so when I get out of the shower and I go on about my day, they're not lasting past the shower. So I like to stick to the cucumber and mint. I also do like the vanilla and coconut one. Surprisingly, I thought that one would be very light, but it actually smells really good. It has a really good scent, and it also will stay as long as you do a proper layering process. So you do need to layer with that body wash, that particular fragrance. If not, then it will go away. I also like that Native has readable ingredients on all of their body washes. Alafia also has really good body washes. Now, Alafia is going to be a very clean brand. They're more on the higher status when it comes to clean ingredients. So when you get their body washes, it's going to be natural fragrances, which means that the fragrance is not going to be super heavy. And also it means that it's going to smell exactly to what it says on the bottle. So if it's lavender body wash, it's going to smell like a literal lavender flower. So just keep that in mind. It is a natural product, but they still somehow smell really good when you get out of the shower with the proper layering process, as I mentioned. All right, so I wanted to talk about body scrubs because I absolutely love body scrubs. Body scrubs are some of my favorite things to have in the shower. They're not like a super big necessity for me, but occasionally I will get body scrubs or I'll make them at home myself. When it comes to body scrubs, I like to look for body scrubs that contain really good oils, and I don't need for it to contain all these weird ingredients. It's literally a body scrub. It should not have anything crazy within the formula. So when it comes to body scrubs that I recommend, I'm gonna recommend the Pacifica Allen Vanilla Body Scrub. That is a amazing brand. I absolutely love that brand. Like I mentioned, they have mindful ingredients while also giving really good products. So after you shower, it's best to go in with a body oil or a lotion. This is going to seal in the hydration that you just put on your body, and also all of the process that I just went through is going to seal it all in if you have like a really good body oil or lotion. Now, to be honest, I don't really use lotions a lot. I find that lotions just they don't work for me. I have told you guys this, body butters are my favorite. So I literally skip lotions and go straight to body butters because it just works for me better. I like for my skin to look very glowy. I like for everything to just be nice and glowy. Yeah, a lot of times I have tried so many different lotions and they don't stick. So I stick to my body butter. Body butters is actually done before I even put on an oil because the oil is gonna really seal everything. So I'll put the body butter on first. I think that Weleda is the brand that does that the best, and I like to use their Skin Food body butter. The first ingredient is water, see, a hydrating ingredient, rosemary. It's just packed to the rim with really good ingredients. So I absolutely love this product as well. It's really, really good on my skin. When it comes to the smell of the Weleda Skin Food body butter, it doesn't have a really thick smell. It's a very natural product, so it doesn't have a super thick smell, but it does have a natural, clean, fresh smell to it. So when you put it on, it won't mess with any of your other scents that you just put on. And I like glow oils. There are some oils that are not targeted to making your body glow. I like to get the oils that say on the packaging glow oil, or if it doesn't say glow oil, it doesn't always have to say that. If it doesn't say that, it just needs to have really good oils, to just have a really good formula so that it just doesn't leave quickly. Because I've noticed with some oils, I'll get them and they will literally be on for 2 seconds and then boom. I don't know if they absorb into your skin or what, but they're gone. So I like for it to not be overly heavy, but I also want people to see like the natural glow on after I put on the oil. As I mentioned, I like to make my own glow oil. I make a rose oil, but I also like Huna Skin. So this is actually not specifically for the body, but I have been using it for my body for a very long time and it just works so good. And I also use it on my face as well because it is an age grace face serum. But the reason why I use this on my body is because it has such amazing ingredients. Like these ingredients are A1. So I absolutely love putting this on my skin. It gives a natural glow. I'm wearing it today and I just feel like that it works so well. And this is their Revitalized Age Grace face serum, and it has rose hip and sea blackthorn berry in it, which are some of my favorite ingredients for the skin. Yeah, I just like it so much. You don't have to use a lot of it either. I only use like 3 drops on each shoulder and then just like 2 drops on my face and on my neck. So like I said, a little bit goes a long way. I also like the Osei, I think I'm saying it right. I'll put it right here. I like their algae body oil. It works really good as well. And also it has nice clean ingredients in it. So highly recommend that one as well. After you apply that whole entire layering process, you're gonna go in with a body spray. I love the Pacifica body sprays. As I mentioned, they have ones that are targeted for hair and body, so you can just get like an all-in-one product. But my all-time favorite and my highly recommended is going to be Good Chemistry. Tiger Lily is my favorite scent. It is a really good body mist. It has orange flower, vanilla, and amber in it. And oh my gosh, those are all of my favorite fragrances. I love vanilla. I love amber. Those are like my go-tos. But that is one of the most bought products when it comes to body sprays that I get. I love that body spray. And yeah, you spray it on right out of the shower as well so that it can stick. Once you do your layering process, hurry up and go in with your body spray and you will smell so amazing, so fresh. It's not overpowering, but it does have like a really thick smell. So yeah, I absolutely love it. And I also wanted to recommend some perfumes. I'm gonna recommend the exact same brand, which is the Good Chemistry. I like the Pink Palm perfume. Also, I like the Ambery Vanilla Dossier perfume, and this is inspired by YSL. It's their Black Opium. I think I said that right. I don't know if I did. I'll have it all down in the description box for you guys. Like I said, I like vanilla products. I like that fragrance. I feel like that it doesn't overpower. Also, when you're going to bed, I highly recommend that you have a pillow mist spray on your bed so that when you are in bed, you're not like sweating and steepening your own sweat night and night again. Also, make sure that you wash your bed covers pretty often. I normally get my pillow mist from Marshall's, so I wonder if I'm gonna even be able to link this. But if I can't find this exact one, I'll link another pillow mist for you guys. But yeah, you just spray it on your sheet, spray it on your pillows, and your bed will smell fresh on up until, of course, it's time for you to wash your sheets and pillows, which, like I said, you should be doing quite often because you don't want to, you know, just have like really bad environment and like stinky pillows and stuff. Okay, so when it comes to deodorant, this is such a tricky one. I was debating on like what to put in this video when it comes to deodorant. I just didn't want to be giving you guys any type of recommendation, and I wanted to be super honest. So I will be super honest and let you guys know that I still have not found the perfect deodorant. Every single time I think that I found the perfect deodorant, I'll use it for several months to a year, and then boom, I won't like it anymore. And I had to go out and do a whole nother search for deodorant. So I'm in that stage right now where I'm searching for another deodorant. And yes, I like to use natural deodorants that do not have aluminums, that are not gonna mess up your hormones and all of that. And it's hard out there for those who are active and, you know, in sports or whatever, or just sweat a lot, to go to natural deodorants, because natural deodorants, girl, we be struggling like trying to find some good natural deodorants. A general note, I think that you should go with deodorants that are aluminum free and it's not going to mess up your hormones. And that's just my personal opinion. I try to steer clear of those type of products. But yeah, that's where I am. I'm still searching for a deodorant because the ones that I thought were really good are no longer my favorites. So I'm not gonna put them in this video. Also, a tip that has helped me a lot is that when you are wearing silk, polyester, satin, those type of materials, they make you sweat a lot more. I mean, I know that we cannot wear 100% cotton all the time, but when you are wearing silk, satin, and those type of materials that kind of just like make you sweat a lot more, make sure you pack on more. Also, wearing breathable clothes is going to help when you are someone that sweats a lot, so that you don't build up a body odor from, you know, having tight clothes on. And that goes for down in the women's area as well. Silk, I don't think that you should put that down there. I think that 100% cotton works really good. At least the part that goes like actually on that area, hopefully that is 100% cotton. I try to find panties that are like that where it has 100% cotton in the middle, just because it creates a lot of body odor with those other materials, and yeah, it just makes it worse for odors. So those are my recommended tips for you guys on how to smell good all day. That was the breakdown of how I like to do the layering process and my recommendations for when it comes to products. I put the most highly recommended products that I like in this video, and I tried to steer clear from products that I was like iffy on. So these might change, but most of these are products I've been using for years, and I'm probably not going to be changing them anytime soon. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and if it was, I hope that you guys give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, if you're just stumbling across this video and you enjoyed it, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and leave down below any products or tips that you guys have. I would love to know what you guys think, and if any of these tips were helpful, let me know which one you're definitely going to be adding to your routine. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. If you're enjoying this video, consider subscribing if you like. Follow me on Instagram, and if you have a question or just want to say hi and let me know that you're a part of the YouTube fam, feel free to send me a DM and I'll connect back with you.